The pandemic. Ugh. I've spent a lot of time in these four walls. But thanks to the internet, we can still teach people in all four corners of the world. And of course, our lessons are available 24/7. And because of you, each and every one of you, we have made it to 4 million subscribers. That is amazing. So I just want to say a huge thank you from me and of course, the whole of the BBC Learning English team.
Thank you.
And thanks from my four-legged friend, Leia. Come on, say thank you. Come on, you're part of the team.